Did you know that one of the Galaxy S25 Ultra's most popular S Pen features is sticking around, even though the stylus has undergone some changes? For those who love the S Pen, Samsung has ensured that a critical tool to prevent mishaps is still part of the package, even without Bluetooth functionality. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's S Pen, while no longer supporting Bluetooth, retains its "warn if S Pen is left behind" feature. This tool doesn't need Bluetooth to work, which means it continues to offer a seamless safety net for anyone prone to forgetting their S Pen. Here's how it works. The phone detects whether the S Pen is in its holster. If you remove the S Pen and walk away with your phone while the screen is off, you'll receive an alert to remind you that your stylus isn't where it should be. It's a simple yet smart feature that's perfect for avoiding the hassle of misplacing this essential accessory. To enable or manage this setting, just go to the More S Pen Settings section within the Settings app. Samsung recommends keeping this feature on unless you've decided not to use the S Pen at all. It's a small but incredibly useful safeguard for everyday use. Now, while the lack of Bluetooth means you won't get air actions anymore, it's worth noting that this doesn't diminish the S Pen's primary functions. Drawing, taking notes, and navigating with the stylus remain as precise and enjoyable as ever. Thanks to its 0.7mm tip and 4069 pressure levels, the S Pen continues to excel at tasks that require accuracy and attention to detail. Whether you're sketching or jotting down ideas, the S Pen delivers a premium experience that makes it a standout feature in the smartphone world. Even without Bluetooth, the Galaxy S25 Ultra holds its title as one of the best stylus-equipped phones available. Its competitors, such as the iPhone 16 Pro and Pixel 9, don't even come close since they lack stylus support entirely. And to make up for the missing Bluetooth-powered features, Samsung has packed the Galaxy S25 Ultra with upgrades in other areas. First, let's talk performance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with a faster processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and responsiveness for any app or game. Additionally, Samsung's advancements in artificial intelligence improve everything from photo editing to battery optimization, making this device smarter than ever. Then there's the camera. The ultra-wide lens has been upgraded, offering sharper and more detailed shots that are perfect for capturing landscapes or group photos. Coupled with the phone's other camera features, photography enthusiasts will appreciate the level of detail and versatility the Galaxy S25 Ultra brings to the table. Samsung hasn't stopped there, though. The phone's design has been refined, giving it a stunning look that matches its premium status. And as an added bonus, the speakers have been improved for better sound quality, delivering an immersive audio experience whether you're watching videos, listening to music, or taking calls on speakerphone. The Galaxy S25 Ultra proves that even with one small compromise, it can more than make up for it with a host of powerful upgrades. It's a phone designed to deliver a top-tier experience across the board, ensuring that users get the best in performance, style, and functionality. What do you look for in a premium smartphone? Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is here to challenge expectations and redefine what a flagship phone can do. With cutting-edge design, jaw-dropping performance, and some of the most advanced camera technology on the market, this device promises to deliver an unparalleled experience. But does it justify the $1,299 starting price? Let's find out. By the way, if you haven't reserved the Galaxy S25 yet, click the link in the description to reserve now and get a chance to win $50 Samsung credit, up to $1,250 additional savings, and even a shot at $5,000 Samsung credit. The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just a phone, it's a masterpiece. This year, Samsung has introduced subtle yet meaningful design upgrades that make the device stand out. Rounded corners and polished camera rings merge beautifully with the new One UI 7.0 software, creating a seamless harmony between hardware and software. Samsung has also brought back the distinct S-series identity while subtly paying homage to the Galaxy Note. The device's softer edges and slimmer dimensions make it as comfortable to hold as it is visually stunning. At 218 grams, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is lighter than its predecessor, and the thinner, narrower body feels great in hand. Its 6.9-inch quad high-definition plus dynamic AMOLED 2X display is a true marvel. Slimmer bezels frame the screen, offering an immersive viewing experience, whether you're watching your favorite show or scrolling through social media. The display's brightness and color accuracy are second to none, living up to Samsung's reputation for incredible screens. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy. It's not just fast, it's a performance powerhouse. Compared to the previous model, you're getting a 37% improvement in CPU performance, 30% faster GPU capabilities, and a massive 40% boost in neural processing unit efficiency. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or multitasking, this phone handles it all effortlessly. During our hands-on test, it breezed through video rendering tasks, outperforming last year's Galaxy S24 Ultra by a significant margin. Samsung has also redefined smartphone photography with this device. The Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and two telephoto lenses, one with 3x zoom at 10 megapixels and another with 5x zoom at 50 megapixels. The new ultra-wide sensor, featuring an aperture of f/1.9, elevates low-light photography. Images are sharper, more detailed, and show minimal noise. You can also now record 8K video using the ultra-wide lens, a feature content creators will love. Audio enthusiasts will appreciate the improved speakers on this device. They're louder, clearer, and punchier than ever before, perfect for streaming music or watching videos without needing external speakers. And what about the S Pen? While it still delivers an excellent drawing and writing experience, Samsung has made a notable change by removing the Bluetooth-enabled gestures and remote functionality. Could the iPhone 16e be Apple's new game-changer in the budget phone market? We've all seen the iPhone Special Edition lineup over the years, offering a budget-friendly option for Apple fans. But with the upcoming iPhone 16e, which was previously rumored to be the iPhone Special Edition 4, it seems Apple is ready to make a bold move, not just competing with Google's Pixel and Samsung's Galaxy series, but even with their flagship iPhone 16. According to reputable leaker Digital Chat Station, the iPhone 16e is shaping up to be a contender with an updated design and some impressive specs. If the leaks are true, the iPhone 16e will be a complete redesign compared to its predecessors, leaving the outdated look behind. Instead, we're looking at something closer to the iPhone 14 with a few tweaks. The phone is expected to feature a 6.06-inch Full HD Plus LTPS OLED display, the same one found in the iPhone 14. This means vibrant colors and sharp details, making it a pleasure to watch videos or browse your favorite apps. It will also come with Face ID, housed in a notch at the top, and a sleek metal frame that will give it a premium feel. And when it comes to the camera, the iPhone 16e will pack a single rear camera, keeping things simple but effective. Under the hood, the phone will be powered by Apple's 18 chip, the same one found in the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. This powerful processor will give the 16e the ability to handle everything from everyday tasks to heavy-duty apps with ease. It will also feature a solid water resistance rating, so you don't have to worry about the occasional splash of water. Now, while the iPhone 16e brings a lot to the table, there's one thing that might hold it back. The display refresh rate will still be capped at 60 Hz, which means it won't be as smooth as the 120 Hz displays you'll find on some of its competitors, like the Pixel 8a and Galaxy A55. While 60 Hz might be fine for some, it could feel a bit sluggish when compared to phones with faster refresh rates, especially for scrolling and gaming. The good news: the price is expected to start at $499, making it a strong contender in the upper mid-range market. This is a slight increase over the previous model, but considering the A18 chip and the updated design, it could be well worth it. Some sources even suggest that the iPhone 16e will come with 8 GB of RAM, which would support Apple's artificial intelligence features, offering smoother performance and even smarter capabilities. While the lack of a 120 Hz refresh rate might be a downside for some, the A18 chip could more than make up for it. It's the same flagship processor found in the more expensive iPhone 16 models, which means the iPhone 16e could blow its competition out of the water when it comes to performance. The iPhone 16e is expected to launch in April, and there's already a lot of buzz around it. With so many similarities to the iPhone 16, it might even make you wonder what the iPhone 16 offers that the 16e doesn't. The iPhone 16 might come with a second camera, a larger battery, and the new action button and dynamic island, but the iPhone 16e is definitely shaping up to be a strong option for anyone looking for a budget iPhone. As the rumors continue to swirl, we're all eager to see how this new iPhone 16e turns out. If it ends up being as good as the leaks suggest, this could be the best value iPhone Apple has ever released. If you're as excited as I am about the iPhone 16e, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates as we get closer to the release. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.